Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you a problem involving formula, and this is example 1. Make x the subject of the formula p is equals to xy over z plus x then raised to a half. Now this formula is the same as p is equals to xy over x means z plus x then square root. Now, how are we going to make x the subject of this formula? The first step we're supposed to do is to remove this root sign. We square both sides. So we square p. So p squared is equals to xy over z plus x. The root sign and the square sign cancels out like that. Now next step after this, we multiply both sides by z plus x on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So it will be p squared times z plus x is equals to xy after multiplying. Now we open the brackets here. It will be p squared z plus p squared x is equals to xy. Now we move those values with x's on one side. So we have p squared x and xy. So p squared z is equals to xy minus p squared x. We move p squared x on our right hand side to it will be negative p squared x. So we move on. So we have p squared z is equals to xy minus p squared x. We expand this one. B squared z is equals to, since x is common, it will be x into y minus p squared. If you want to remain with x on one side, you divide both sides by y minus p squared. So over y minus p squared over y minus p squared. This one cancels out. So you have x is equals to p squared z over y minus p squared. So we've made x the subject of the formula.